Hello everyone, I am Ajit Kumar Kabi here and I am here to discuss about the first quarter FY22 result of State Bank of India. So State Bank of India has delivered a strong result, a steady sort of operating metrics and asset quality. Moreover, the reported gross slippages stood 157 billion versus 219 billion in the previous quarter. Its reported GNPA inched up marginally because of lower upgrade and recoveries with lower write-offs. The reported GNPA is 5.32% versus 4.98% in the previous quarter. The PCR remains stable at 86%, where SMA2 book declined significantly from 28 bips in the previous quarter to 14 bips this quarter. The bank has witnessed a stable advance growth of 5.8% YOY and a strong deposit growth of 9% YOY. The liquidity position is adequate with LCR of 153%. Moreover, the bank has reported a PAT of 65 billion against 64 billion in the previous quarter on the back of healthy NII growth, which grew 2.1% sequentially and NIMs improved to 3.15%. Along with a stable provisioning expenses of 100 billion against 110 billion in the previous quarter, the 1Q FY22 ROA and ROE stood at 0.6 and 12% respectively. The bank has established a total standard asset and contingent provision of 298 billion, which is around 123 bips of net advances, with moderate stress formation and heartening collection efficacy. We believe the ROE target of 15% is achievable in mid-run. We reiterate our buy on SBI with unchanged target price of rupees 551. The current level of SBI is around 442 and the potential upside of 22%. So SBI is our preferred pick in PSU run banks. So SBI having a huge balance sheet and the stress formation is quite moderate whatever we anticipated earlier. So guys, I would request that pick of this quarter, this week is State Bank of India. Happy investing.